Hello friends, risks of insufficient tire pressure. Tire with low internal pressure, or a simple term, under-inflated tire lost their shape when driving. They became softer, more pliable, and the weight of the car, especially at speed and when carrying, makes them literally sag and sag. What does it threaten? Uneven wear. The side tread wear out faster than the middle tread because the there has more contact with the road due to the tire deformation. Rolling resistance increasing, which causes the tire to heat up more. Acceleration time is increased. Increased fuel consumption. Treating the integrity of the carcass and the rubber, especially in the side part, which can lead to sidewall rupture. This can be wound by a wound strip that appear around the entire circumference of the tire. This is the evidence of chafing of the coat treads. Risks of tire dismounting. An underinflated tire may come off the disc seat. Tire deformed by long time use at low inflation pressure became unsuitable for further use. Even if the pressure in them is brought to normal, the risk of rupture in the weakened part remained. If you want to avoid unnecessary expense, don't stain the tires. Risks of high tire pressure. With increased tire pressure, the part of the tread that should be flat and provide reliable traction became convex, laterally swells up like a ball. As a result, the contact patch of the tire with the road is much smaller than planned by manufacturer. Why is it dangerous? The tread wears unevenly, faster in the middle than on the side. Decreased grip and handling. Due to the reduction in the area of contact between the tire and the road, the braking distance increases. If the tire pressure is too high, the tire runs a risk of exploding. Long driving on tire with high pressure overtreads the coats. Such a tire will last much less. The deformed contact patch of the tire with the road interferes with the effective removal of water. As a result, hydroplaning can occur on a wet surface.